Okay, hustler. So as you can see, today is February the 28th. The year is 2026, and we're looking inside of my Amazon Seller Central account. And you can see for last year, we did $489,193.58. Again, this is the last day of February, and we've already done $107,000 already this year. That's almost $500,000. And if I can do it, you can do it. Plus, I have a full-time job. That's right, hustlers. There's no need to quit your job. So you can continue to enjoy your steady, stable pay, your benefits, and your retirement contributions while you build your business, which is a major asset for you. But here's the thing. Although I talk about arbitrage on this channel, I did not get to $500,000 in sales using that business model alone. Of course, it is possible for me to get to that level with arbitrage, but it would not be practical because I had to scale, and arbitrage takes so much time. So in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how I did it so that you'll have that same knowledge and you'll be able to do the same thing. Spoiler alert, I scaled my business with the wholesale business model, but not in the same old way that you've been told. You know, where you're scouring the internet, trying to find wholesalers willing to work with you. When you use the methods I'm going to show you in this video, wholesalers will immediately respect you and want to actually build relationships with you. Hello, my name is Horace, also known as La Machine, and since 2017, I've been sharing my Amazon selling journey in order to help others find success. If you're ready to learn how to build an Amazon business for yourself, or you already have an Amazon seller account, but you just haven't gotten to the next level, then please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel and join the working class hustlers. So here's what we're going to cover. 1, how to find products to sell using the arbitrage business model. 2, how to increase your volume on your best sellers with arbitrage. And then 3, exactly what to say to wholesalers, distributors, and manufacturers when you reach out to them so that they're excited to work with you and help you to really grow your business. So step 1, if you don't already have a category that you like to work in, then this is going to be a time for discovery for you. There is so much money to be made in retail, so there's no specific category that I necessarily recommend, although I will say that it will be beneficial for you if you stick to products that you like, because if you enjoy the products, then you're more likely to stick with it long enough to see success. Retail arbitrage is my favorite way to start. You just go into a major retail store like Walmart and start scanning products using the Amazon Seller app or any other app you want to, like Nepeto or Seller Amp. It's going to take some time, but I promise you, if you put the work in, you'll eventually find products that you can make a profit with. I have plenty of videos on the topic, but this one gives my 7 steps, and it's a great place to start. Link in the description. After a while, you'll have some products that tend to sell well for you over and over again. It'll get to the point where you literally clear the shelves every time they come in. In the business, we call that replenishables, or replens for short. At this point, you move on to step 2. Go to customer service at the store you're sourcing at and start placing bulk orders. It shouldn't be a problem, but do not let the gatekeeper stop you. If necessary, ask to speak to a manager. Whatever it takes, you need to move to ordering case quantity, because this is going to be crucial for the final step. So after you've been buying case quantities for a while, it's time to go to step 3, buying wholesale. There are many ways to find wholesalers depending on the types of products you're selling, as well as the brands. That's the easy part, especially with AI nowadays. What's important is that you build a relationship with a real person so that you're not just some random, meaningless account. Here's how I typically do it so that you have an example. Once I eventually reach out to a salesperson, I usually say something like this. Hello, my name is Horace. Right now, I'm selling 500 units of your product per month. I'm looking to increase that, so how can we move forward? Now, notice my positioning in this conversation. I'm not asking for permission to sell the product. I'm not saying I need you. Instead, I'm stating the fact that I'm already moving considerable volume right now. This immediately makes me valuable to the salesman because he sees that I am capable of boosting his numbers. I'm coming in the door with confidence, experience, and tangible numbers, not hopes, dreams, or good intentions. When you build your business before you start reaching out to wholesalers, they will want to work with you because your very first order will be worth it for them. They will know you're serious, and this can be very helpful, especially if they need to justify discounts and incentives. Once you start building relationships with wholesalers, the game changes for you in ways you can't even imagine. Bottom line, arbitrage is a great way to start, but to really start to increase revenue in your business, wholesale is the way to go because you'll have the volume that it takes to get there. If you follow my simple 3-step method in the order that I showed you, you'll have real sales as you increase your volume to case quantity while still using the arbitrage business model. When you reach out to wholesalers, you'll be ready, you'll have confidence, and you won't be another random wannabe seller that hasn't proved anything and hoping somebody will show pity on you. Let me know in the comments, have you tried the arbitrage business model, and are you looking to get into wholesale? If so, consider joining my mastermind community where you can meet other sellers like yourself. In the mastermind, you get a real seat at the table with like-minded individuals where you can get answers to all of your questions plus help others. This is your place for real transformation, and it's only $5. Link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.